Getting proper sleep is the main thing that will improve your looks, your energy levels, and even boost your testosterone. And most men ruin their sleep without even realizing it. So I'm going to tell you an 8-step science-based sleep routine every man should be doing. You'll wake up feeling more energized, you'll build muscle faster, you'll look better, and overall you'll feel better. Make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into step number 1. Know your chronotype. Basically, are you a morning person or are you a night person? Do you like to wake up early or do you like to stay up late, or are you somewhere in between? Personally, I'm a morning person. I like to wake up early because that's when I'm most productive. That's when I like to get my stuff done. That's when I like to work out. So I personally like to wake up around 9 in the morning. So what you want to do is figure out what's the most optimal time to wake up for you in the morning. Maybe you have school or work, so you have to wake up a little earlier. Maybe you don't have anything in the morning, so you can wake up later. Regardless, figure out a time. For me personally, it's 9 in the morning. Now what you want to do is count back 8. So 9 counting back 8 is 1 in the morning. That is the optimal time for me to go to sleep, because that allows me to get a full 8 hours of sleep. Now whatever time you choose that is best for you to go to sleep and get your full 8 hours of sleep, you want to go to bed at that time every single night, because your body has a biological clock. And so when you go to bed at the same time every night, you train your body to get tired around that time. So it's a lot easier for you to fall asleep and get a good night's rest. Step 2, blue light cutoff. Blue light is the light you get through screens, from your phone, from your computer, from your TV. Studies show that blue light delays melatonin production, which is the main factor for you to fall asleep. And nowadays we have blue light everywhere, and I can guarantee you that before you go to bed, you take in some sort of blue light. So I'm not going to tell you to completely cut out blue light and read a book instead. Yes, that is a little bit more optimal, but that's not efficient. That's not what I would want to do. Instead, you can naturally cut out blue light. One of the ways to do this is getting blue light blocking glasses. You can find these on Amazon, but it's very simply glasses that you put on that block out blue light. So whatever you're looking at that emits blue light, you're blocking them out. Or if you're on a phone, an iPad, a laptop, chances are those devices have an option for a night mode. So for example, on my phone, I scroll down, I click on the brightness, I select night shift, the screen goes more yellow, but what that's actually doing is cutting out the blue light. And by cutting out blue light 2 hours before going to sleep, you're basically telling your brain that it's nighttime. So naturally, you'll feel that you get more tired. Step number 3, your body temperature. Here's something you might not realize. A warm shower an hour or 2 before going to sleep can actually help you sleep better. Studies show it raises your core temperature temporarily, then causes a natural drop that signals your body it's time to sleep. The result, you fall asleep faster and you sleep deeper. This is because when you go to sleep, optimally, you want your body temperature to drop, and I'll get into that in a little bit, but taking a warm shower an hour or 2 before going to sleep will actually help your body do that. Step number 4, your bed setup. Listen, optimally, you want 8 hours of sleep, right? So that's 33% of your life spent on your bed. If you're going to spend a third of your life on something, you want to invest into it so that it's basically perfect. So with your bed, there's 2 main factors that impact your sleep quality, your posture, and your health. The first thing is your pillow. And very simply, here is the rule. If you are a back sleeper or a side sleeper, you want a pillow that is more firm or elevated to help support your neck. However, if you are a stomach sleeper, you want a pillow that is as flat as possible. This way your neck is not hyperextending. The second thing is your mattress, the thing you lay on for a third of your life. Ideally, you want a firm mattress that supports your back and molds to your body. Bro, before this summer, I used to wake up every single morning with a stiff back and a sore neck, until I upgraded to this mattress called Plank mattress. And bro, this thing is a game changer. Plank makes ultra firm, flippable mattresses designed to keep your spine aligned. So you basically have one side that's a hybrid firm and the other side that's extra firm. So depending on your preference, you can flip your mattress to get it exactly how you want. And this is huge if you want better posture or less back pain. I also have this problem that I get hot very easy, but this mattress has a cover that keeps your body cool all night. I don't know how it does it, but it works. I've had my Plank mattress for a month and I genuinely fall asleep faster and wake up with zero stiffness. And on top of that, when you get your Plank mattress, you get a 120 night sleep trial, free shipping, and limited lifetime warranty. So if you want to upgrade your sleep, go to plankmattress.com/Pierre and use code Pierre for 30% off your Plank mattress. Step number 5, your skin and self-care routine. A lot of people emphasize on your morning skincare or what you do throughout the day, but what a lot of people don't realize is when you sleep, that is the most important time for your skin, because your skin does most of its work and repair at night. When you sleep, your body boosts blood flow to the skin, rebuilds collagen, and fixes damages from the day, like sun exposure, pollution, dirt that your face might have collected. If you wash your face before bed, you're removing all that sweat, dirt, and oil that would otherwise clog your pores overnight. Following up with a moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated so you can heal properly while you rest. And if you do this consistently, you'll wake up feeling refreshed rather than tired. You'll actually look good in the morning. Step number 6, and this is something I struggle with a lot, is stop eating at night. Think about it. If you eat something an hour before going to sleep, when you go to sleep, your body needs to spend energy digesting the food rather than fully recovering. So ideally, Ideally, you want to completely avoid eating anything 2 to 3 hours before going to sleep. This will allow your body to focus strictly on recovery while you're sleeping rather than something else such as digestion. Step number 7, optimize your room temperature. Studies show that the ideal room temperature for sleeping is 19 degrees Celsius, which is around 66 degrees Fahrenheit. This is because cooler temperatures allow your body to fall asleep faster but also stay asleep longer. So honestly, make your room like a cave, dark, cool, quiet, and you'll sleep like a baby. Step number 8, mind offload. You need to have some sort of wind down routine. If you're doing something that is high energy or giving you a lot of dopamine before going to sleep, it's gonna be a lot harder for you to fall asleep. So for example, if you're scrolling on TikTok, you're getting quick dopamine videos right before going to sleep, so it's gonna affect your sleep quality. Instead, you wanna opt out for something that is more steady and requires your attention for a longer period of time, such as a podcast, a movie, or a show. Even better, something I do every single night is make a to-do list for the next day. What do you have to get done? What do you want to work on? What do you have to do at each time? It's a steady state activity and it signals to your brain that the day is over. If you do all of this, your sleep quality, your energy levels, your testosterone, your attractiveness, literally every single aspect of your body will improve a lot more.